Once upon a time, I was bullied by the Birdman. It all started when I was just riding my bike with my friend Zebra. We were just riding, and then in that split second, I looked in the corner of my eye, and I was already on the ground. Zebra said, but he wouldn't listen. He just kept riding off with my precious bike. Me and Zebra encounter him again. I was just playing hopscotch, because I'm good at that hopscotch thing. And then we see him. He starts running at Zebra, and he just takes his shoe and throws it. So me and my friend Zebra, we're gonna hit this dude perfect trick shot that no one's done before. To pass through the legs, passes back to me, and then I got this. The Birdman comes and ruins it. We were about to get stuff on camera. And it was all because of the Birdman. And to this day, I hate the Birdman.